Samantala, inusisa sa Senado mga ulat na nagiging mas pisikal na at violent na raw ang mga laro ngayon sa Philippine Basketball Association o PBA. Pinabulaan na naman ito ng mga opisyal ng PBA at maging ng Games and Amusement Board. Saksi si Jam Sisante.
Kumpara sa mga laro ng PBA noon, mas pisikal at minsay bayolente pa raw ang mga laro ngayon. Ang obserbasyong ito, batay sa mga nailalathalang komentaryo, ang inusisa sa pagdinig ng Senate Committee on Games and Amusement kanina. Pero pinabulaanan ito ng mga opisyal ng PBA at ng Games and Amusements Board. Giit ng PBA, sapat daw ang mga patakaran ng PBA at hindi raw ito nalalayo sa panuntunan ng NBA at ng International Basketball Federation o FIBA.
There are other applicable rules under the official rules of the PBA submitted to the Games and Amusements Board that to govern the acts of the players on and off the court actually. If I may, aside from these official rules, the players do have their own contracts with the teams, and they are also governed by the terms of the PBA Constitution and bylaws.
Very rare, because if you see that, then there is a corresponding penalty, mas malaki na ang penalty. And if you do a flagrant foul, you're not just kicked out, you're also suspended, and then you're fined. So depending on the gravity.
Katunayan, sabi ni GAB Commissioner Matthew Gaston, mas matindi pa nga raw ang maduming paglalaro ng basketball noong player pa siya sa PBA. Pero pangamba ng committee chairman,
ang kinakatakutan ko yung mga tinatawag na career-ending injuries na sana yung rules ng PBA nakadesign na gawin natin, bawas-bawasan natin yung pagkakataon o yung chance na magkakaroon po ng career-ending injuries.
Pagtitiyak naman ng Games and Amusements Board, taon-taon daw nire-review ang mga patakaran ng PBA.
Naman, in terms of physicality at maraming violence, I think I would say definitely that the PBA is not remiss on reviewing and making sure that walang physical na danger to the players, because after every game they would review that together with our GAB.
Ako si Jam Sisante, ang inyong saksi.